What's up mga papi? Good morning, happy Monday. Running for 6 kilometers per day. Sobra ba yun? Pag 50 ka na? I'm 53 years old and daily I run for 6 to 7 kilometers. Tapos may kasama yung 4 kilometers na lakad. Hindi ako elite athlete, regular na tito lang na ayaw tumanda agad. Here's what I realized. Hindi naman age ang problema. Ang issue is recovery. Pag kulang ka sa tulog, stressed ka, o mali ang pagkain mo, kahit 3 kilometers, mabigat mga paps. Pero pag maayos ang recovery mo, maski 6 to 7 kilometers is really sustainable. Hindi mo naman dapat bilisan and hindi mo rin dapat patunayan na kaya mo pa. Zone 2 lang, chill pace, yung kaya mo pang makapagkwentuhan habang tumatakbo. That's the sweet spot. Hindi na speed and ego ang goal natin pag 50 ka na. It's longevity. So is 6 or 7 kilometers too much? If your body feels stronger and yung tulog mo is mas mahimbing and yung blood sugar is much stable, then no, 6 kilometers is not too much. But kung lagi kang pagod, masakit ang mga joints and irritable, baka you might wanna scale back. So listen to your body. Hindi naman to paunahan kasi for life na to. Ayun lang. Again, happy Monday. Run, Arcovia! Hihi!